Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, September 29th. So, what's going on today? We have some bunch of numbers here at 8:30. You can see the countdown here in about 4 minutes and 20 seconds. We're going to have these numbers. U.S. has core PCE price index. Now, this is a huge number. It's red for obvious reasons. This is the number that the Fed uses to determine inflation. What's going on with inflation? So this is a huge number. Also have goods trades balance, personal income, personal spending, and preliminary wholesale inventories all at 8:30. 9:45 we have Chicago PMI, and then we have another red number at 10 a.m., the revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and revised University of Michigan inflation expectations, all very, very important to the economy as to what is going to happen in the future. Consumer sentiment is huge, so is inflation expectations. So those numbers will be coming out shortly. Taking a look at some charts, looking at the daily chart, still have the head and shoulders pattern in play. We have a nice reversal, it looks like here, reversing off of that big reversal candle from a couple days ago, and we are currently up. However, I'm not very optimistic, I have to admit. We're coming into this little band right here of resistance. So we also have a high volume node relatively close by at 43.81, which is about as far as I think it's going to go. Um, on the downside, I do think it could test yesterday's low because it is very close to a low volume node at 43.01. So that's kind of my guesstimate where it could go. We are in this fairly large band or channel, and looking like it might be able to hold. We'll just have to wait and see. Also looking at, let's see, we're looking at the inventory. Come on now. Inventory. Inventory was positive yesterday with positive price action, so it is all correlated. Again, all of this inventory action is good and is supportive until it's not. A lot of buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip the last couple of days. You can see the last 4 days we've had buy the dips going on, and that works fine until it doesn't, and then these people will bail out and could get an ugly downside. I don't want to jump ahead, but today's number from the Stock Traders Almanac is only 38.1. That's not the lowest, but one of the lowest numbers we see, 38.1, which means there's basically a 62% chance the market's going to go down today. Fridays are really, really ugly days. I'd be super, super careful. Taking a look at the daily, looking for support. Oops, the daily. I don't want to look at the daily. Intraday. Looking for the overnight. The overnight range was actually a little bit larger than expected. It's about 30, yeah, about 33 points. So it's a little bit more than normal for an overnight reaction, which means that it's when you have a huge overnight move, usually during the day, you'll stay within that range. So, it's fully possible we've already seen close to the high or close to the low already. That being said, where we have resistance, I'm going to say 43.76 to 43.80. Definitely the 4400 and 44.14 on support. Support, we have the overnight low, which is really close to 43.25. 4,300, obviously a very big round number, and 4280 to 4270. There's a band there for resistance, I should say, for support. And like I said, Almanac is 38.1. That's all I've got for you. Be careful. Fridays can easily take your money away. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Yes, I'm still on vacation. Have horrible cold, but hopefully the weekend will be more healthy. See you guys Monday. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.